Developing a generative AI strategy requires careful planning, understanding of the technology, and alignment with business goals. Here is a concise guide to crafting an effective generative AI strategy. 1. Define clear objectives. Identify specific business challenges where generative AI can add value, such as enhancing product designs, improving customer engagement, or optimizing operational efficiencies. Ensure these objectives align with overall business strategies. 2. Understand the technology. Gain a solid understanding of generative AI technologies against generative adversarial networks, VAS variational autoencoders, and transformer models. Understand their capabilities, requirements, and limitations. 3. Assess data readiness. Evaluate the availability and quality of data needed for generative AI. Ensure you have sufficient data and that it complies with privacy regulations. Plan for data collection, cleaning, and preparation if necessary. 4. Develop talent and skills. Assess current AI and machine learning skills within your organization. Consider training existing staff, hiring new talent, or collaborating with external experts to build the necessary capabilities. 5. Choose the right tools and infrastructure. Select tools and platforms that match your business needs, considering scalability, security, and compatibility with existing systems. Adequate computational resources are crucial for training and deploying models. 6. Pilot projects. Implement pilot projects to test the feasibility of generative AI solutions on a smaller scale. This approach helps refine strategies and identify potential issues without extensive risks. 7. Measure and analyze impact. Set metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of generative AI implementations, such as performance improvements, cost savings, and customer satisfaction. Use these insights for continuous optimization. 8. Scale and integrate. Gradually roll out successful generative AI applications across the business, ensuring they integrate smoothly with existing processes and systems. Provide necessary support and maintenance. 9. Ethical and responsible AI use. Develop policies to ensure ethical AI usage, addressing potential biases and maintaining transparency in AI-generated decisions. 10. Stay informed and flexible. Keep up with the latest developments in AI technology and regulations. Be ready to adapt your strategy in response to new advancements and changes in the field. By following these steps, organizations can implement generative AI strategically to foster innovation, enhance competitiveness, and drive meaningful business transformation.